Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Car Interior Cleaning Basics, a complete guide. Ever slid into your car only to be greeted by mystery stains and suspicious odors? A clean car interior isn't just about looking good, it's about enjoying every drive. Dusty dashboards and cluttered seats can ruin your ride and even affect your mood. Whether you're gearing up for a long road trip or just a quick drive to the store, a tidy interior makes all the difference. If you're tired of driving in a mess, keep reading to discover the basics of keeping your car's interior spotless and refreshing. Say goodbye to grime and hello to a better driving experience. Understanding car interior materials. When it comes to keeping your car looking fresh and clean on the inside, understanding the materials used in your car's interior is key. Each material has its own set of characteristics, and knowing how to care for them can make a big difference in your cleaning routine. Let's explore the most common materials: fabric, leather, and plastic or vinyl, which are found in car interiors. Fabric upholstery. Fabric upholstery is often chosen for its comfort and variety of styles. However, it can also be a magnet for stains and dust. The fibers in fabric seats tend to trap dirt, which can be challenging during cleaning. Spills happen, right? And when they do, they need prompt attention. Here's how you can tackle them. Vacuum regularly. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove loose debris and dust. Spot cleaning. For small stains, a mild soap solution or dedicated upholstery cleaner can help. Gently blot the stain instead of rubbing to avoid spreading it further. Shampoo occasionally. Consider using a car upholstery shampoo for a deep clean. This helps to remove built-up dirt and refreshes the fabric. The challenge with fabric is its vulnerability to absorbing odors and moisture, which means it's important to dry thoroughly after cleaning. Leather upholstery. Leather seats scream luxury but require special care to maintain their appearance. Unlike fabric, leather can dry out and crack if it isn't treated properly. To keep leather looking pristine, consider these tips. Clean with specific products. Use cleaners specifically made for leather. Avoid harsh chemicals like ammonia or bleach, which can damage the material. Condition regularly. Apply a leather conditioner every few months to keep the leather supple and to prevent cracking. Wipe spills immediately. Since leather can be sensitive to liquids, it's crucial to quickly clean any spills with a soft cloth. Leather is like a fine wine. It gets better with age if maintained properly. Plastic and vinyl surfaces. Plastic and vinyl are durable choices for car interiors, often used for dashboards and door panels. They are easier to maintain but can lose their shine over time. Here's how to keep them looking new. Dust with a microfiber cloth. Regularly wipe surfaces with a dry microfiber cloth to prevent dust buildup. Use mild cleaners. If needed, use a gentle all-purpose cleaner. Avoid oily products that can leave residue and attract more dust. Protect and shine. Consider using a protectant spray to add a layer of protection against UV rays and to give a sleek finish. Think of plastic and vinyl care like shining your favorite pair of sneakers. A little attention goes a long way in looking sharp. By knowing the makeup of your car's interior, you can keep it in tip-top condition. Not only does this attention enhance appearance, but it also adds to the longevity of the materials, ensuring a comfortable and pleasing ride every time. Essential cleaning tools and products. Keeping your car's interior spotless is easier than it seems. Just like a chef needs their special spices and utensils, you'll need some key tools and products to make your vehicle shine. Let's take a closer look at what's essential for a thorough car interior cleanup. Vacuum cleaners. When it comes to vacuuming your car, not all vacuums are created equal. You need one that's designed to reach small spaces and corners. Handheld vacuums. These are great for getting into tight spots. They are lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around your car. Wet, dry vacuums. These can handle both liquid spills and dry debris, making them versatile. They're a bit bulkier but pack a powerful punch. Cordless vacuums. These offer the freedom to move without being tied to an outlet. Ideal for quick touch-ups. Picking the right vacuum can save you time and effort, ensuring no crumb or dust bunny stands a chance. Microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths are the unsung heroes of cleaning. Think of them as the Swiss Army knife of the cleaning world. They can do it all without scratching or leaving streaks. Benefits of microfiber cloths. Highly absorbent. They soak up liquids like a sponge. Non-abrasive. Safe for all surfaces. Reusable and durable. Just toss them in the wash and reuse. Best practices. Use a separate cloth for different parts of the car to avoid cross-contamination. Wash them without fabric softener, as it can reduce their effectiveness. Brushes and scrubbers. Different surfaces in your car require different brushes. Just like you wouldn't use a paintbrush to clean a floor, you'll want the right tool for each job. Upholstery brushes. These are gentle yet effective for cleaning seats and fabric. Look for soft bristled ones. Detailing brushes. Perfect for dashboards and vents. They help reach those tricky spots. Carpet brushes. Tough on dirt but gentle on carpet fibers. Having the right brush or scrubber can make a daunting task much simpler. Cleaning solutions. Choosing the right cleaning solutions is crucial. You want products that are tough on grime but gentle on your car's interior. Eco-friendly cleaners. These are not only good for the environment but also safe for you and your car. Options like vinegar-based solutions are effective and non-toxic. All-purpose cleaners. These can handle most surfaces without damage. Look for ones that are ammonia-free to protect tinted windows. Leather conditioners. If you have leather seats, a specific conditioner will keep them supple and prevent cracking. Investing in the right products ensures not only a clean car but also a long-lasting one. Don't miss out on part 2, where we'll dive into advanced techniques and tips. Stay tuned. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.